This is my circular knitting machine. It is the Addi Express KingSize. First thing I'm going to show you is how to cast on. Just leave about a foot there. And the reason why is because we're going to be making a hat. You're going to start between the black and the white. That's between pin 1. Alright, and then you're going to just go in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Okay, and you're going to thread it through the tensioner right there. Set your row counter to 0. In the first row, you want to go slow to make sure that you don't have any slipped or dropped stitches. I usually have this clamped. Okay, here it goes. Just tug on that. Okay, now to make a beanie, simply going to go, if it's one color that you're using, you want to go to 130 total rows. So you're just going to go around like this until you hit 130. Sorry I couldn't show you the rest of that particular beanie, but I have several beanies here using the same exact method I showed you in the video. What I want to show you is the end. So when you fold the hat up, you have the tube that you close from one end, and then turning it inside out, and then you have the tube on the other end that I secured with a knot. And then I took the 2 yarn ends and tied them together in a knot to really secure the hat together like this. So you can't just pull it apart. It's secured with the knot. And then you simply just fold it up, and then you have your beanie. It's really versatile. You can use any type of yarn really. I found that the best yarn to use is a softer, almost a lighter weight, like a light worsted yarn, to make it a little more flexible for people who might have a little bit bigger of heads. If you use a thicker yarn, like this one's a bit thicker of a worsted weight yarn, it's a little bit tighter on the width here. So it's better for adults with smaller size heads. But using a thicker weighted yarn is also good for toddlers, because now I've made a little bit shorter of a beanie and it's still tight because of the thicker worsted weight yarn, and it would fit a toddler just right. You can also adjust the width of your beanie slightly by adjusting the tension that you're putting onto your circular knitting machine. A tighter tension is going to create a tighter hat, so a smaller hat, and a looser tension will create a bit bigger of a hat for an adult with a little bit wider of a head. So you can really change up how you like your beanie by just playing with colors. I would just recommend you go in and test how many rows each you want to use of each color. I used a variegated yarn here with a light blue. You can even use the yarn ends to make a pom-pom at the top, which I've done to a few of my beanies. It took me about an hour total. It's a really cute and fun little project to do and make great gifts for people, family and friends, or I know people who donate it to local shelters or people in need. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it so that more people can find it. Thanks.